making a really easy almond cookie.
We are, and it's a, as Jack said, very easy, very basic, and it's a great biscuit because it's gluten-free as well.
Yeah. So the ingredients today are caster sugar, flaked almonds, almond meal, a few egg whites, some vanilla,
That's it. That's
and
all
then
there
a
is.
couple of balls.
So let's get going. We're going to start off with, as Oshi said, almond meal or almond flour, 2.5 cups.
Yes.
So, Oshi, can you take the top off the almond flakes with the scissors and sprinkle half the packet on that plate? Jack, you're going to do the almond meal, buddy. That's enough. That's it. Just half spread out on there. So Jackie, you hold the cup, buddy, over the top of that.
Nice.
Yep. So 2.5. I reckon that's 1. So dip that in, love. That's it. Doesn't matter if a bit goes on the bench. That's pretty standard when you're cooking with the kids, isn't it?
Yeah, because you can always clean it up.
Exactly.
It's not like, oh, I don't have any cleaning.
Are you going to clean the kitchen today?
No.
Put it back over, buddy. That's 2. We got half. No, over here. Got half a cup to go. That's good, Osh.
Yep.
There we go. In it goes. What does that smell like? It smells good?
It smells like popcorn that's overcooked.
Oh, well.
So next is the caster sugar.
Yep. So Obi, you hold that. We've got 1.25 cups. Hold it right over the top. There we go.
That looks like snow. I just want to touch it.
You don't have to use caster sugar, but just try and use a sugar that's really finely granulated so you don't have big chunky bits. Now we're going to have a 1/4
It
cup.
looks like snow and then a little bit of a desert.
It does. There we go. Now Obi, you grab the spoon, the teaspoon, and give that a stir. Mix those ones. Yep. Yep.
Ooh, looks pretty.
It's time for Mama to take the diamonds off. We're going to get the hands dirty soon. So dig right down to the bottom, give it a good mix.
I'm not.
But do it gently so you don't flick the ingredients all over the counter.
Yeah, because it might go in someone's mouth and then it might
That's
hit
it.
their...
Alright. Now Obi, can you put pour a teaspoon of that onto here?
Sure. Oh.
You will now. And then Jack, once that's done, yep, whole teaspoon, a little bit more. You can pour in the egg whites, that's enough. So how easy is this?
Super easy.
There we go, so pour that in. Now it doesn't look like much liquid because to all of that, this is 2 egg whites, but it's gonna work. So slowly in the middle, love. That's it.
Nice job.
There we go. It's as simple as that. So 2.5 cups of almond meal, 1.25 cups of sugar, 2 egg whites, some vanilla extract. Once we put these together, yeah, we're going to pop them in there.
The egg whites so it can go together.
Who wants to get their hands dirty?
Me.
You can do the moulding after. All right. So just go like that for me. Ooh.
This is gonna be fun.
There you go.
Yeah.
Now I have the oven preheated to 170 degrees Celsius. I'm not quite sure what that is in Fahrenheit, but you could Google it. And you'll be surprised, these do have a little bit of crunch, but they're really quite soft on the inside.
Yeah. Smells so good. I actually smell it.
They're actually an Italian-inspired cookie.
Ooh.
So we're going to get mixing away. You want it to be so it's...
fortune cookie.
It does. So it's kind of clumpy like that. So we'll work it for a little bit more and then we'll come right back.
So that's done.
All done. Now what we're going to do, grab a tablespoon. I'm going to do the first one. You can do little round balls and just plop them on here, but we're going to do like a little sort of crescent style.
Or if you forget to how to do it, then you can just
Like this kind of thing. Plop them in the almonds. Press that in, give it a little coating. That might be my job because you kids can have the fun job of rolling and shaping.
So can we shape it like
However you want, but just try and keep them fairly small if you can. Here we go. So 15 to 18 minutes in the oven, 170 degrees depending on your oven, around 170, that's what I like to use. Also depending on the size, because we do have some different, very interesting shapes and sizes here, don't we?
Yes. Yeah. Alright, so this is the taste test.
They smell delicious.
Oh, you should smell it. That's good.
Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. What do you reckon? You got any jokes for us or?
Yes.
You do, go.
What did the bird say to the elephant? What? You're a jellyfin.
That was pretty good, Jack. Did you make that up on the spot?
Yeah, I'm kidding. So guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Yeah. This was only a short video because that other one that we just did like 2 seconds ago.
It was a bit long-winded.
Yeah.
So any more feedback from you?
I don't know.
No.
And comment down below what video we should do next.
Yeah.
Savoury, sweet.
Yep, throw some ideas. And last but not least, that looks like a rabbit, doesn't it?
It does.
What shape do you like the most?
And
I like the big puffy ones.
I like this shape because it's neat.
Yeah, but you might like the little round crunchy ones. Mix it up, have fun, have a blast. They're super easy.
Make any shape you want. Alright,
See you
bye
next
guys.
time.